Hey guys, so I'm officially in the process of moving. So we're moving out of this apartment, and I thought I would document my move. It's not going to be a super long, in-depth vlog of the move, but as you can see, I do have a lot of things packed up. These are all things going on the truck. And I'll show you guys our moving truck here in just a bit. We do have a few things that we are bringing in the car, like some clothes in here. And there's some things in the bathroom I'm still gonna be putting in the car. We have our dining room table put up. And then that right there in the corner, which I called my pantry shelf, that's going to be getting put up here in just a minute. I'm going to put some stuff in a box. We have our couches ready. Well, I think we're going to be leaving this couch, unfortunately, but we are going to take the love seat. And the TV will take off the wall. And then my plants are in there in a box out there. I'll also show you our bedroom real quick. We actually went and picked up our U-Haul truck, which I'll tell you guys about that in just a minute. So we got all this packed up. And I'm making some hot dogs currently because I'm starving. I'm ready for some lunch. And all I really have is hot dogs and bread. So hot dogs and bread it is. But yeah, so this is everything, kind of packed up. I honestly feel a little bit better about this move than I have probably any of our other past moves. One, because I kind of know where I'm going, and two, just because, I don't know, I feel like with the times that we've moved, we just feel a lot more prepared. Like, we kind of know what to expect. We know things that could happen. We know, things that could go wrong and stuff like that. So in a way, I guess we kind of feel a bit more prepared because we're kind of like expecting certain things to happen, so we kind of know what could possibly happen, and that makes me feel just a little bit better. Let me show you guys our truck. So there's our truck, and it is a 20-foot truck. Not exactly what we reserved, but I'll tell you guys about that in just a minute. So there's our truck. So what happened was we actually reserved a 15-foot truck, which is the same size that our pod was when we were moving prior. And I was like, it's going to be enough. It's good. So we got up there, and the guy was really nice, and he, gave us the keys, and we went out to look at the truck, and my husband, looked at it, and, one of the tires was kind of low, and he's like, something's wrong, with this tire. The tire looks low. So we went back inside, and also while we were out there, we looked at it, and he's like, my husband is like, well, it looks like everything will fit, but it looks like it could be a tight fit. And he's like, I would rather have more room than not enough. So we ended up going back inside and telling the guy, and he came out and looked at the tire, and he's like, oh, there's a nail in it. So, well, thank goodness we looked, because, there was a nail in it. And he's like, well, we'll just have to get you guys another truck. And then my husband's like, well, what size is that truck over there? And he's like, oh, that's a 20-foot truck. And, sorry, I'm trying to sit you guys down. He's like, that's a 20-foot truck. And my husband's like, well, how much extra is that? He's like, oh, do y'all want that? I'll give it to you guys. I won't charge you the difference or whatever. I'm like, okay, well, I guess if he wants to give it to us. My husband was like happy as a clam. He's like, okay, well, if he wants to give us a 20-foot truck and we're only paying for a 15-foot truck, then whatever. So he ended up giving us the 20-foot truck, which is quite a bit larger. We'll definitely have room for all our stuff. And my husband felt a lot better about it too, because he's like, well, I know for a fact our stuff's going to fit. And, you know, I'm just like, this truck is way too big. It's just way, way too big. But whatever. It's not really the biggest truck, but it's a big truck. And yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. But the point is, I'm supposed to drive the truck part of the way, at least. Once we get about 3/4 of the way there, I was going to drive it the rest of the way, but frankly, I don't know. I don't know how it's going to even work, because I can't really see over the steering wheel. I'm only 5'3.5", so I don't know how that's going to work. But I guess I'll figure something out. I'm not really sure. But my husband's like, there's no way. I'm not driving it all the way. I'm not driving it all the way there. I'm like, anyways. So, I don't know. But somehow we're going to get it there. And also, tonight we'll have to get dinner somewhere, because I do have food in here that I could make, but I am now kind of getting to the point where I'm really kind of don't have a ton of stuff, you know, like I got a few things, but I don't have a lot. Yeah. We do have some people coming to help us load the U-Haul truck about 3 o'clock, so they'll be here in about an hour. So I do want to get any like last minute things I want to get on the truck maybe packed up while they're here to help us. But it's good because we're actually not moving our things until Friday morning, very early in the morning. So I do kind of have all of Thursday to kind of add to the truck if I need to. But overall, I think 3/4 of it will be hopefully done and packed and all. Yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at. I will probably update you guys again maybe later when I have another update. These videos are going to be kind of sporadic because I don't know what I don't know what to expect. Like, I don't know like what each day is going to hold, but I guess maybe I'll show you guys a clip once we get a lot of the stuff put in the truck, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like then. So I'll see you all in just a bit. Right, guys, so we've finally gotten moved in. It's a disaster in here, an absolute disaster. There's stuff everywhere, but I'm gonna try to show you guys my current situation. So this is the second bedroom that I'll be filming in. I'll probably be over there somewhere, and all my plants are in here for now. So boxes everywhere. And then this is the closet here. It's a nice big closet. This is the rest of the apartment. This will be the living room. Looks like a war zone, but the TV will hopefully go there. And then here we have, whoop, where's that light? This is the laundry room. Okay. And this is the, whoop, there's me looking rough because I have literally not showered in like 2 days. It's terrible. This is the spare bathroom, the second bathroom. right across from the living room where we are here is the dining room, which is full of stuff. And I'll see if I can show you guys out the window a little bit. There's our balcony. And the view. There's a like dog park right there. And my husband is sleeping still in the master bedroom, so I'll have to show you that later. There's the kitchen. And the front door. And kitchen. I actually have a pantry. So. Alright. Oh, and then this is like the furnace and AC in there. So I'm trying not to make a lot of noise because he's still sleeping and we have not been getting good rest, but my house plants are suffering a little bit. I need to water them today, like badly. But yeah, this is the view. So that's like a little dog park out there, right where those trees are. And then some more apartments, and this is just like a big open field. So yeah, so that is our new place. I'll show you guys some more once I get it set up, but it's gonna be a while because as you can see we have a big mess on our hands, but at least we're here, we're moved in, and so far we seem to like the apartment okay. It is pretty good. Look, my orchid's gonna bloom again. Woo. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go finish my coffee for breakfast, try to get some more stuff done, and hopefully I can show you guys more once I actually get all this unpacked. But yeah, that's about all I got right now for you guys. Unfortunately, sorry this video is really weird, but we're in the process of moving, so that's how that goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned. Once I get things more settled down in here, I'll be able to film another video for you guys. So hopefully my next video will be a bit more normal. All right, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.